right, everybody, we are over here at Bul Armory, which is always an exciting place for me to be because I absolutely love Bul Armory's guns and everything they put into it. And they've got some really new exciting stuff to talk about this year. So instead of me doing it, let's have the real professional do it. I'm gonna hand the floor over to Ben. Ben's gonna tell you about all the new stuff.
Hey guys, thank you so much for
Absolutely,
coming.
man. It's an honor.
You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you.
We all love a 1911, right?
Absolutely.
And we love it for one reason, single reason, pun intended, it's the trigger.
Absolutely.
It's feel, it's precision, but historically, it lacks some modularity. Like that. The Link Trigger system changes that by allowing the shooter to change the reach, feel, and interface of the trigger with one simple tool, under a minute, no downtime, no refitting.
Wow.
At home, at the range. We are launching this system with 12 different links. This is a link. Everything from small, medium to large, regular interface, wide interface, which is a game changer.
Yeah.
This is not something that translates through the camera, but I brought it to try, and maybe the B-roll by the great cameraman will have the viewers at home.
Yeah.
But it is a game changer. Once you try a wide interface link, you don't go back.
Yeah.
We also have what we refer to as specialty links, which is something like this. Who is this for? I don't know, someone. A lot of people liked it, but this is the fun thing we can do with this system. We can introduce new interfaces to fit a variety of shooters.
Yeah.
And just think outside of the box. We are starting with 12 links, 8 more are coming end of Q1, 30 by the end of the year. This is a standard feature on all 2026 SAS2 models, and it will also be available as a standalone item during Q1, and it will fit a wide variety of other double stacks on the market.
So we basically now have one trigger that we could fit for everybody.
Yes.
Doesn't make any difference the length of your fingers, what you like. Boom, easy, less than a minute. We switch it out. It's made for you now.
Exactly. And if you look here on this is a link. The threads are on the link, on the detachable part. So let's say you've been stupid with the top
Cross-threading?
Yeah, and you just throw this away. This is the cheaper part. MSRP is going to run you $55 for the bow, $19 for the regular link, $22 for the wide interface, and $25 for the specialty links.
Wow, that's amazing, and price point too.
Fair pricing. The whole system is going to run you between $70 to $75.
Jeez, that's amazing. Awesome.
All right, so moving on to this side of the table. Well, you already did an amazing job with the Fireball.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna talk quickly about the Pyrus optic mount. This is a new thing for us this year. I'm gonna remove this for a second. It's a removable handle. The Pyrus optic mount and the thumb rest kit both feature a very unique thumb rest module. It can be mounted in almost infinite positions, adjusted up and down like you mentioned, and flipped around to allow the shooter to choose between 2 different textures.
Yeah.
The optic mount also integrates our BAO optic system that you know and love from the EDC and the TACs.
Right.
So it allows you to basically mount any optic on the market. It ships with an RMR, DPP, RMSC, and RTS2 plates. It's a standard features on all the open guns, and also available as a standalone item. The MSRP is $150, but it ships with all of the plates, and it will fit a variety of wide body 1911s that has the Seymour 3-hole or 5-hole pattern. So pretty much any modern open gun on the market. The Pyrus thumb rest kit is about the same thing, but it doesn't integrate any optic elements because it's meant for limited optics division pistols.
Yeah.
The cool thing about this is this one can be mounted on both sides of the frame to accommodate both right hand and left hand wrong-handed shooters.
Yeah.
I mean, the pricing on the thumb rest kit is $80.
Really? Wow. Okay.
Very fair, aggressive pricing.
Yeah.
Giving the shooter the ability to tune their gun to them.
Yeah, and you're not pricing people out for being able to do it.
Exactly.
It's amazing.
And again, it will fit a variety of other guns as well.
Yeah.
Not everything needs to be proprietary.
Right.
Right? So moving over here, this is the SOF. It's a 1911. Yes, a single stack in a world of double stacks.
Yeah.
So why? First of all, some people just appreciate the classic feel of a 1911.
Absolutely.
With that being said, there's nothing classic about this. It's fully modernized. It has all the bells and whistles that you know and familiar with the rest of the EDC and TAC line. It is 4 1/4. It is 9 mil, flash and count barrel. It has our BAO optic system. This one ships with 3 optic plates in the box, so RMR, DPP, and RMSC, MB safeties, aggressive G10 grips, and a tactical magwell. It is available in both a regular version and the one you're holding, it's a Pro version. And if you see a Pro designated model from Bul Armory, it means one thing, it is ported. This one is V8 ported.
Oh yeah, that is beautiful.
Stainless steel, black PVD, available mid-2026. MSRP is going to run you $1950 for the regular version, $2150 for the Pro version. And I do need to add that I believe that this one fills an interesting niche on the market for people that unfortunately reside in magazine restricted states.
Yep.
So why get a double stack with a restricted mag when you can run this, the OG, the way John Moses Browning intended to be?
Yeah.
And it's something different. And also, I have to say, it's easier to conceal these mags.
Yep.
So this is the SOF for this year. And while I still have you, I do want to communicate something to your viewers.
Please do.
So hold this. It's gonna have to stay here though. So this is the very much anticipated taco. Guys, I know you've been patient and I thank you for this. It was slightly delayed, but it's coming this quarter, Q1 2026. It is now upgraded with the aforementioned Link Trigger system as standard, a new magazine release button, and a new magwell. Pricing is $29.90, so still very aggressive.
Yeah.
And about Q1, this is worth the wait. It will spoil any other gun you have. Sorry, not sorry.
Good things take time. Good things take time, right? I'd rather have something come out perfect and the way you guys wanted it to be. If we got to wait a little bit, we had to wait a little bit. So that's exciting, man.
Exactly. Thank you so much for visiting
Dude.
us. You guys are doing tremendous work. SHOT Show 2026, if you want to know more about Bul Armory,
Hit us up. Let us know. Bul Armory is always an exciting booth to come to every year, but what they got here has just exploded everything. You guys have done a tremendous job, and I want to say thank you for the amazing stuff that you guys do. Ben, it was an honor. Thank you guys. Thanks, guys.